What is up, you guys? Let's just get turned on this daily level real quick. And welcome back to some more Geometry Dash. It's the homie, Gaming with John here. If you didn't know, I'm a real boss. I'm a real G with it. And what else? Should I throw a freestyle on this song? Oh shoot, at that part. Alright, y'all don't know. It's the whole me. What you got? Quick and dirty. Hey, out there, I'm just playing this daily. Everybody knows that I'm just slaying. No, I'm playing. This ain't unforgettable. This ain't Red Shrimmer either. Hey, hey, hey. Oh. Hey, hey, hey. Yo, guys. Did you beat this level? What's up, everybody? It's the freaking boss over here. If you try to mess with me, I'ma cross over here. I'ma cross you up. I'ma break your ankles. Everybody knows that I'ma go on nature. Yeah, that don't make no sense, but that is okay. The boy goes insane when he's trying to beat all the daily stages. He's also trying to get some orbs up, by the way. Just, yeah. Send the homie orbs in the mail, ayy. Or I'ma go to jail, ayy. I should drop a new song, but I don't have a beat. He only con. You should be on that working on a beat, so I can make a new song. You should be my producer. The beggars can't be choosers. That's alright. If you don't wanna be, I'm just begging for it. Yeah, I know you don't wanna be. Oh, she goes past. Can you come and be my producer, please? By the way, I'm giving out free hearts, so just ask can I have a heart and I'll heart in the comment. I did that on a nerd video. And he said, oh yeah, you can have a heart. I was like, can I have a heart? He said, okay. And then there's another guy who was like, yeah, that's funny. You know, talking about playing always makes you be better. Never mind. Anyway, guys, we totally beat the daily level. We crushed it. We got our 4 diamonds. But we need to get these chests up. And we also need to get some orbs up. I'm trying to buy something. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. I'm trying to buy something, though. So let's just rebeat some Crystal Goblin levels. Crystal, I forgot the level called. Crystal Fusion. Now let's just rebeat this. Get some coins up too. I got 630. By the way, if you have some levels I want to play, request them. I might put them into a Geometry Dash video. What? Find a diamond, a picture of a diamond emoji, and comment it down if you haven't got past the first Crystal Goblin level, because I beat the whole thing, baby. And also tell me if it's because of lag. If it's because of lag, then we're good. If it's not because of lag, step your game up. No offense. These are my favorite songs. In the YouTube community, I was thinking of this game. I don't know where these other 2 coins went, but I know that these first ones are easy, and I know that I died there. You have to hit that green jump ring rate, my friends. Oh yeah, I see you back there.
that new drop, put that on my block. I just copped a new beam, put that on my Glock. I done stepped my game up, got my change up. I swear on my niggas, I won't never change up.
Posted in the trenches, got us one flexing. Feeling what I'm repping, ooh, you many killed it. Met us in the building, by the brick the ceiling. I don't think you feel me, and my soul overwhelming. Posted in the trenches, got us one flexing. Feeling what I'm repping, ooh, you many killed it. Met us in the building, by the brick the ceiling. I don't think you feel me, and my soul overwhelming. I don't think they know where I be at. I don't think they know who I be with. Yo, I'm headed to the top for the millions. And I'm staying with my gang, I ain't scheming. Used to hate on me, used to sleep on me. Now I'm almost at the top where I was dreaming to be.
Wrist so icy, wonder why she like me, bitch. I'm drowning in water. I just bought a Cuban, dipped it in a fountain. Everywhere that I go, it's a light show. I'm surrounded. Bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bitch. I'm drowning.
What's up, y'all? That was Music Break. Yeah, I just went through different songs and kept pausing the recording. I went through Overwhelming by Maddox, the 11-year-old fidget spinner out there. One of the like fidget spinner channel got like one of them. He just did that because he knew it would go viral and then it worked. And then we had Drowning by A Boogie and Kodak Black. You have to show them both love. Even though in the music video they left Kodak out. And then you had Everyday Lit from Lucci and TNB Rock. TNB Rock is fire, and so is Lucci. And Music Break didn't work, so I'm done, guys. I'm just gonna give up on life. Like, there's no point to life when you can't pass a level. Like, guys, do you understand it? Do you understand this? Do you understand this is what I meant? You know what? Let's finish this off. I need easy. Yeah, I haven't beat these easy levels. Don't blame me, guys. The old me, if the level has a bug in it, just quit it and try something else. Oh shoot, there was a coin there. I always care about coins. That's how I got to 631. Now that I have that one. Yo, you guys hear that music in the background? Yo, if you guys hear that, that's kind of lit. That's No Flex Zone remix by Ray Shrimmer and whoever this person is. Or not No Type, No Flex Zone. I'm gonna listen to this after the video. Yo guys, this level has proved me wrong. I was about to say this level has no music. Hey fool, I'm ready to have my own. Man, that was easy. That sucked. Oh wait, it was 2 stars. I'm the best player for beating 2 stars. Alright, I'm gonna have to finish this video by getting my last demon key, opening it, and showing you what's inside this special key. Alright, let's do Be Gone, Mr. Gone, GD Jose. Hey. You know what else level has this on that you should go play? Winterland. Anthony answered 07. Made by Anthony Benavides, the person who said fresh spaghetti when I said Oreos. That makes no sense, man. But I still love the comment. Because fresh spaghetti does this pretty well. And also, he commented on Yo Booty Flat Girl. And because he was featuring in it. I got a question. How the freak did DD Jose verify this human spider? Oh, I did it. Oh, what? I'm gonna choke. I'm gonna choke on it. Choke on what? I don't know. Everybody know that I got a sick flow. What you tryna do, bro? I don't even know. 10 out of 10. I just spit the fire. Oh, why you trying to censor me? You a liar. Liar about what? I don't freaking know. Everybody knows that I got a sick flow. Oh yeah, you know that I'm so cold. I'm going in the circle. What the freak is this, bro? I don't even know. Do you know, yo? I don't know, yo. But I go with the flow, bro. Hey, I just got the same words. Man, y'all a bunch of the same turds. That was good enough. Let's do Simple Travel by Danalex. This is Danalex level. Dude, these are typically the same. They have a whole bunch of words all over them and lyrics in the level. And this one's different. By the way, you can't have no music, so you can have mine. Drop. Code Red, Danalex. Alright, that was good enough. Oh, I still don't have the song though. Oh. Yeah, this is how the song really goes. Oh. Dun, 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 I'm guessing. Oh, I did it. That's it. Oh, I can't go there. Hey, simple, travel. Oh, you know that was bullcrap. Yo, what the freak is that? How you even dying? That's alright. I need to get off my phone this time. I really need to get that thing. So that, oh, you got a liar. So I can make that thing in my life. I'm playing these games. was my old. That was my old memes, man. Bro, they made invisible full-time speed. How is that there? You guys have to stick with me, man. I'm not sticking in here. You know, you've been watching this video for. I hope you've been watching this video for as long as it's been going. Probably can't hear my voice right now. Or maybe you can hear it. Maybe it's too loud. I don't care about that one. I think I can get both in this too. I bet you I can hear that. Hey, what you say about me? You know I have to be selected to be verified. And to be turned to silver instead of staying brown. Hey, I do this now. So guys, you wanna go buy something? I'll take you on a ride. Alright. So you know, this is stuff for 4,000 orbs. Ooh, this looks pretty nice. Alright, I just took you for a ride. That's pretty nice. So we'll do another day on X level. Cause I'm not quitting without my 5th key. So you guys can click off this video. But stay here if you made it. If you exited, you're not hearing this, and you're fake viewer. Only the real viewers stay. And the real viewers are the real holders. Yo, that was for real. That for real just happened. Hey, yo, I bet just for the heck of it. I mean, his other icon is a circle, not a square. Oh, shoot, you gotta press it in there for time. His other square is not a square, it's a circle. It beams. Nothing dirty about that does not sound wrong. Yo, what? Yo, the. Yeah, this one guy, Attention, he was hanging out with a homie. He was hanging out with Dashi, and Dashi was sucking on a straw, and he was drinking from it, and then Chloe was like sucking on that pretty good, huh? And then Dashi was like, what? Alright, let's just try Blitz. Told you this video is coughing. Alright, let's listen to my awesome music again. Yo, what is it going fast for? I'm sorry, this level designer sucks. Optical? Oh, actually, he's good. He's pretty good. But that level's not pretty good. Run up. You know, I know how to finish this. Yo, I didn't buy the right thing. Oh yeah, I can't spell, by the way. So you're gonna have to spell the word booty hole for me. That's a whole bunch of booty. Oh wow. I can get free 6 stars from that. Alright, let's just look up Gauntlet levels. Oh shoot, which one was this? Prismarine was pretty easy. Come on guys, I have to get 20 minutes. Everybody probably left the video. I'm lonely. Come on, guys. It's only 20 minutes of your life being gone. This video is gonna be out so late at night. Oh, yay. I didn't even have to do anything. I can finally end the video after this. Alright, guys. You better give me something good. Hey, 5 shards. I'm a G with it. Hey, but they still need to give me. They still need to give me this. Yo, give me that, bro. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed another episode of Geometry Dash. I also hope you made it through the whole video. If you did, you're the homie. But anyway, hopefully you enjoyed another Geometry Dash video. I said that twice. If you did, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe. And with nothing else to say, peace out.